The university has a history of supporting the International Day against homophobia, biphobia and transphobia, and it's for us part of building a really cohesive community in which people feel included, in which people feel that their voices are listened to, in which people feel valued. Why would you not want to do that in any institution?
As a director at the university, it's really important that we role model and that we are committed to the fair play and inclusion at the university for all. As also a gay woman at the university, it's really important for me to be open and transparent and authentic in who I am, particularly with all those people that I come into contact with, be they students or staff.
I think the LGBT community is a growing community amongst our staff and our students, and therefore it would be absolute folly not to make the most of that community in terms of engaging them and in terms of getting the best from them, as we would do with all our staff.
I also recognise that for some students and staff it's not easy to be authentic and open about who they are. We are incredibly open for those students and staff that aren't even sure about what they may identify as.
We think it's really important that people can present at university, whether they're staff or students, as their whole selves.
We do a number of things to support the agenda. We've recently joined the Stonewall Diversity Index.
Everything from rainbow laces to having keynote speakers. We've
now got Fair Play 30 champions across the university supporting the inclusiveness agenda.
An equality and diversity steering group, which is headed by one of our senior managers.
We have an LGBT staff network.
The fact that the Students' Union is an inclusive and safe, welcoming space for all students.
We're developing a trans policy at the university, which we hope to have agreed before the end of this academic year.
We want the very best people to come here. We want to make sure that the opportunities to participate in this fantastic university are open to everybody and all the talent that there is out there.
And I recognise that for some of us it's difficult to talk about these issues. Ida Hobbit gives us the opportunity to accept that we may not be an expert, but we can be inquiring in a safe and supportive way.
This is not a one-day-a-year thing for us, it's just what we do every day.